Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Yes, it is St. Patty's Day. Fun times ahead. I'm going to get right to it. Last night, I prepared garlic butter beef and spinach tortellini. Oh, really good. I did change and add a few things. Oops. You know me. Recipes are just guidelines. It was a 4-cheese tortellini that I used. By the way, first thing, I halved this recipe. It was just me. I can't eat 20 ounces of tortellini. I probably could on a good day. So I halved this recipe. I used a 4-cheese tortellini. Instead of red pepper flakes, I used a little bit, about a quarter and a half teaspoon of Thai chili powder. I just love the flavor of Thai chili powder. And I got thinking yesterday afternoon, and I'm like, this needs something. So I added a diced Roma tomato. Added it about the same time as the spinach. This was a wonderful, colorful, and very tasteful meal. Just a little bit of heat. You don't need heat with this dish, but you can definitely add it. I will share this recipe up online in the group. Try it. It's really good. Being St. Patrick's Day, I'm doing good old corned beef and colcannon. If you're not familiar with colcannon, it's basically 2 veggies in one. Mashed potatoes and cabbage. Because the traditional meal is corned beef and cabbage. Well, the colcannon does both. Not corned beef. Does mashed potatoes and cabbage. Let's get to it. I got some hardware out. The Dutch oven for the potatoes and my roasting pan for the corned beef. Traditional way to do corned beef is to basically boil it. I discovered the baking method a few years ago, and it's my preferred method. I shared the method. I shared the method a few days ago. So for those of you who are doing corned beef and wanted an alternative way to prepare the corned beef, I did that. All right, let's get back to it. Got a big old corned beef. I might cut this in half. Robin is supposed to be here tonight for corned beef, but I'm not sure. She hasn't really. She said yes, but things can change. All right, so just straight old corned beef. For the colcannon, I'm using Yukon Golds, green cabbage. I have a little bit of red cabbage in the cold box, which I might add to it. Of course, lots of butter. I'm using cream for the mashed potatoes. Some good old garlic. I will be thinly slicing some green onions. And of course, kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. So here are the goodies for tonight's St. Patrick's dinner. Bad accent, sorry. All right, so on this wonderful Monday, because it is Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.